Ola Kaivita here. Sorry, I'm not uploading for a long time. Anyway, now I'm gonna rebuild my favorite teams, Chelsea. We have an objective and challenge to complete this rebuild. The objective are winning the Champions League and winning the Premier League. The challenge is only signing players from London teams, like Tottenham, West Ham, and many more. Let's go into the video.
There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a
We are
hard
currently
place.
in third
Do I work
place in the
hard,
Premier
or live at my
League.
pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life,
The
doing
top
lots of
scorer is
cocaine.
from our
Wait,
club,
no,
Kai
it's living with
Havertz.
no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us.
Kai
and that's
Havertz
okay.
is on another
But I
level.
just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others
We are
need
winning
fun.
the
Some
Premier
of us
League.
need purpose
One
to
done.
overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut.
Lukaku
It'll show you
finished
what you
as the
want.
top scorer
Living
and
life,
Tielemans as the
every
top
day.
assister. We are out from the FA Cup from Aston Villa in round of 32.
All I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want,
And Villa won the FA
I
Cup.
believe in the better days.
We are winning the Carabao Cup.
Late at night, not okay. All I want
City is winning the Community Shield.
are some better days.
We are through to UCL final against Real Madrid. This is our squad for UCL final. San Siro, here we go.
I believe in the better days.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
The objective's complete and the video is done in one season. Goodbye.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to